Rua de Camilo, Pessanha. And we got kind of a cool little, I think this, we're gonna be going down that street right there. But we're gonna be going down, let me just see if we can get across here. We're gonna be going down that street. I kind of want to capture this little place too, because this is a old, used to pawn shop a long time ago. And this is kind of our main street that we're gonna show you as well. Okay, let's go check it all out. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, there we go. Kind of have this beautiful street right here too. So this one goes all the way down to Senado Square, which is also equally interesting to film, especially the lighting right now. But I think we got nice lighting everywhere, including the street that we're going to go down, which is this one. So we're going to capture, yeah, look at that lighting, it's nice. But right now the lighting is perfect everywhere you go, so we're going to just go up this way. I think I'm going to cross over on the other side. Nice car. And over on this side we can have this view of this beautiful blue architectural building right there. It was restored recently. They had it all under wraps. It looks beautiful now. Look at that. Yeah, Macau has some really beautiful architecture. It's nice. It's kind of cool too, that building, because they got those big Chinese characters right there, and just the shape of it and the windows. Kind of interesting too. And that's the pawn shop on the corner. We're going to keep on going down. And that one is equally interesting too. That little tiny yellow one is on the corner like that. Looks like a separate individual building. Huh. It's kind of cool next to each other. Okay. Gonna keep on going down further. Oh, that goes right up into a building. This is, looks like it's like the side of a building right there. That side of a building, so they must have put the little warehouse right through the middle of this. It's kind of a good idea. Yeah, that's a building wall right there. And those steps are not the originals. You can see it clearly. Okay, that looks kind of cool too. That little white building looks like a little food restaurant to go place. It's really neat. Got a lot of neat stuff on this little street. I was tempted to walk up that main street up that way, but as always with Macau, there's always a ton of choices you can do. So we chose this one, but I think it's also a good choice too, because we could get into some really good stuff already, right? Got these little alleys. It goes all the way up to Senado Square. Okay, that one is a museum that's closed right now. Kind of a cool little place too though. And then I saw them taking this out onto the trash can. Seems like I filmed most of this stuff at some point or another. Yeah, pretty cool looking street. So we keep on going down. Got a supermarket there. Little alleys like that. Keep on walking down. Like that street on the corner to the right there too. Oh, we got little music. Cool. Look at that one. It's like a little Thai restaurant. That's kind of interesting. Little, some of those rooftops are always interesting. That's kind of a tall rooftop. Sometimes you gotta look up because the rooftops can be quite interesting to see. Oh yeah, that looks cool. little street food spot. Another little alley there. Okay. More alleys all the way down. You see there's a little temple right at the edge of that alley as well. Look at that. It's beautiful too, wow. So that's a beautiful building. It's really thin and narrow. It's another interesting rooftop. It's kind of a quiet street at the moment, but it's real nice. This one has a lot of shark fin. I think we're going to come down to the end of this street here in a minute. So yep, we're going to come out to the end here. So that's in a whole other street right there. This one's going to turn right. So we're going to come around. Make it look like that. I like how tall that building is. Wow. I like that one. God, that looks real nice right there. And we have another little alley right in here. That's black and white. And that's the one that we just did. Very cool. Yeah, I like that a lot. That's like really beautiful. Wow, it's amazing. The lighting is just incredible right now. Okay. So I think we're going to end that one right here, and that was a pretty cool little street, a nice little video. Yeah. Lighting is just amazing right now.